Hello, this video is the second video in the creation of a basic ad hoc filter, and this video assumes that you've already done the information that's done in step 1. So we've gone in and created this basic ad hoc filter with student number, their last name, first name, grade, gender, and if they're active today. So the next thing we need to do is add some filter parameters. And in order to do that, you can get to the filter parameters area either by clicking on the next button or by coming up here and clicking on this filter parameter. So I'm going to do that. Once I'm here on the filters parameters area, you'll see here these are all the fields that we pulled out. And over here we have operators that we can use. And if you expand out the operators, you'll see the symbols or some words that we can use for the operators. I want to use an operator on grade, so I'm going to put equals. And I want this to be all 10th grade students, so I'm going to put a 10 there. And then I want this also to be for male students only, so I'm going to put equals again, and then I'm going to type male, or M for male. And then on my active today, I want it to be true. I want it so that I'm only selecting the active today students. There are a lot of operators that you see in here, and on my website I have an explanation of those operators, and you can get there by clicking on my link to my website. It takes you there. You go down here to this ad hoc reporting area, click on this creating basic ad hoc, the handout, and you'll see that there's a filter parameters link. The filters parameters takes you to a page that explains what all the different parameters are, the different operators that you can use if you're not quite sure on which ones you would like to use. So the two that I'm using right now is the equal sign. I want my students to be in 10th grade, I want my students to be male, and I want my students to be active today. So all I would need to do at this point is save this. I could have also done a save and test instead of just a save, and then it would pull it up in that browser window for me to view all of the information. I'm going to do that on my next window so that you can see how that works. But at this point, all I'm pulling is 10th grade students that are male and that their enrollment is active today.